Alright, y'all. Life blog from Codeman. So, you go to Apache on a Thursday, because that's a great idea. And you beat your friends there, because that's a great idea, because you want to hit what is an absolutely... How the fuck do you turn the camera around? I don't know. Hold on. On a Thursday. And the water is absolutely amazing. Right? And I'm zipping along on this badass water. 4,000 RPM, no big deal. And then all of a sudden, it acts like one of them robots that the batteries go dead on, and it goes. Well, I ain't happy no more. So I now have the world's baddest ass rowboat. Go to Apache, they said. Well, I said I'd have fun. Well, maybe. I'm gonna row and row and row. And it's not working for me right now. Because I'm kind of stuck in this whirlpool situation. And I'm actually going backwards. This is awesome. I don't know why the fuck this is happening. I have the most official badass rowboat on Apache today. I'm serious. There's a Chinese feather. I said, no fool for you. Well, here lately, it feels like no fun for you. I know I should have went through this motor. I was like, yeah, it'll last another season, man. Fuck me. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat. This goddamn current keeps turning me sideways. This shit sucks, and I'll tell you what. I wish it didn't grenade. Motherfucking fuck. This shit really sucks. Merrily, 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 merrily. What a motherfuck. That's this rant for the next couple seconds. Video update. We can go a little quicker. Just a little bit. Awesome. Well, these nice people are helping me. Thank God. It would have took me 3.5 months to paddle back. I was all the way at the other end of the lake. So, right on. I just noticed something. That sticker is a bad influence. Oh yeah, we found Eric.